How to fix your Facebook app auto close automatically closing issue on your Android device. If the Facebook app on your Android device keeps closing automatically, you have to try the following troubleshooting step. First of all, you have to open up your app. So here you can see that after opening your app, you have to close the Facebook app completely and then reopen the Facebook app. You can do it by swiping it away from the recent menu and you can open it. Also, you have to check for the update. You have to open up your Google Play Store. If there is any update available, then you have to tap on the update button or update icon to download the update. Also, restarting your device can resolve the temporary glitches. You have to press and hold on the power button, then select the restart or reboot button. Also, you can navigate to your Facebook eye icon, and once you are on your eye icon, you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache and tap on the OK option. So after cleaning your cache, if the issue persists, you have to tap on the clear data. Note that will log out and remove your downloaded content from your Facebook. Also, you have to ensure that you have enough storage on the device. You have to go to your setting and tap on the about phone and go for your storage to check the available space here. After that, you can uninstall the Facebook app, then reinstall it from your Google Play Store. Also, make sure your Android system is up to date. Tap on the setting, go for your About phone, and tap on the MIUI version. And here you have to check for the update. If none of this above step work, you have to try considering a factory reset. If all of this step fails, you have to tap on the factory reset option, which will erase all the data here. You can see that. After performing all this step, you should be able to fix your Facebook auto close automatically problem on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.